With the wind whipping by this head of mine, I feel my heart start to race. I am about to get a new one, which prompts a choir of voices all asking the same question. Why should I care? I'll tell you why, and if you're nice, you won't have to cry. I'll be quick. People will all shout, sick! But not sick like ill, sick meaning slick, or cool, or on point, or whatever the kids happen to say. But one thing is clear. You won't be saying sick! You'll probably use some other kind of ick that starts with a different sound. But it's hard to care, because I've got your car and now you're rolling on the ground.